Hi, my name is Elena West, and I'm a postdoc in the Department of Fisheries, Wildlife, and Conservation Biology and the Minnesota Cooperative Fish and Wildlife Research Unit at the University of Minnesota. So Cedar Creek is home to one of the state's largest breeding populations of redheaded woodpeckers. We have about 80 to 100 nesting pairs each season, and historically they were quite common across their Midwest range, but they've drastically declined throughout their range and in Minnesota over the last several decades. It's estimated that in Minnesota they've declined by about 95% in about the last 50 years. So my research aims to try to understand more about their habitat needs and the factors that drive their nest success, survival, and migration, which we don't know very much about. So to carry out our research, to answer our research questions, we conduct detailed nest monitoring surveys. You can see here behind me we have a tree that's been marked with tape. Each year we change colors, and the different colors signify whether it's active or not. We use a telescoping pole and a really specialized camera to peek inside the cavity to understand what's going on inside. We check cavities almost daily throughout the breeding season to understand nest success and survival. And from there, we also do a lot of detailed behavioral observations of birds to understand how they're using habitat. On a subset of our population, we mark them with tiny tracking devices. These devices are really going to help us untangle some of those questions that will help us hopefully develop management plans and a better understanding of their annual cycle and help protect their their wintering and their breeding grounds. One of the things I really appreciate about working at Cedar Creek is its commitment to education and community-based science and really making science and nature accessible to people. My project has really benefited from the help of a lot of volunteers over the last several years. And one of the things we did together with volunteers is launch this trail camera project. So we put a number of trail cameras up above these redhead woodpecker cavities, and we're collecting thousands of hours of video. We've launched this project on Zooniverse, which is a platform where volunteers from all over the world can come together, help researchers like myself classify images or videos to try to extract data. So it's a really meaningful way to have people engaged with science, with nature. It's been a really rewarding, just incredibly exciting project to have as part of kind of an offshoot of my work here at Cedar Creek, and it wouldn't really have been possible without the support and commitment to education and public engagement from Cedar Creek staff and faculty.